Today we're talking about the question that everyone is asking. How do you get clients for your photography business? If you're wondering how some photographers always seem to have a steady stream of clients while others literally struggle to book gigs, I'm glad we met. So what did these successful photographers do differently than others? Stick around because I'm about to spill the secrets of getting photography clients and making your business grow. Hey there, I'm Helena, and today we're diving into the tried and tested strategies to attract more photography clients. Let's get started. First up, social media. I know for some it might be difficult to create video content that requires showing your face, but nowadays there are so many other ways that you can create content that doesn't necessarily require that. If you're camera shy, use trendy audios to convey your message or stick to voiceovers. Showcase your photo sessions or discuss your photos without ever showing your face. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest are essential for showcasing your portfolio and also connecting with potential clients. You never know who might see your work. Right now, social media might be the first channel through which photographers get clients, so this is a must for you. You can get inspired by other creators, engage on social media so you can be the first one to hop on new trends, and always think of new creative ways to showcase your work. Think from the perspective of a client. What would convince you to hire someone and then apply it? Afterwards, remember to connect your Instagram to your website to make it easy for viewers to see more of your work and book your services. I gotta tell ya, do not underestimate the power of offline marketing. Networking and collaboration are powerful tools. So build relationships with other professionals everywhere you go. Attending different industry events, trade shows, and public gatherings, and of course, you do networking online as well. This is so flexible because you can do it with photographers from other cities or countries, giving you a wider exposure. You never know who you might connect and have future collaborations with, so this could open up many new opportunities. Also, create relationships with vendors. This is crucial. And here's a tip. At any wedding or event you go as a photographer, always take contacts from wedding planners, venues, and other vendors that could get you more referrals or hook you up with their clients in a search of a photographer. Next, optimize your online presence. Ensure your website is SEO optimized so potential clients can easily find you through search engines. And if you don't know how to do that, make sure you Google it. There are so many free courses and blogs that can teach you how to optimize your website that can get you from beginner to pro in just one day. And if you also like to write about your experiences, blogging about topics relevant to your clients is also something that can drive traffic to your site. Make sure your blog content is targeted towards potential clients, not other photographers. You can write blog posts on what your clients might be searching for. For example, write about what they should look for in a photographer or photo shoot ideas. Any subject that could create curiosity in viewers and attract a potential customer. Email marketing is another effective strategy that you could try. Maintain a newsletter to keep past and potential clients engaged with your latest work and updates. This helps you stay top of mind when they need photography services. A good way to attract customers is by offering special deals and insights in your emails so they feel valued. For example, you could offer discounts to clients who refer new customers. But always make sure these promotions are part of your marketing budget and not a hit to your profits. Whether it's weddings, portraits, or commercial photography, being the go-to expert in your field really helps you stand out. Just think about it. If someone is looking for a wedding photographer, they'll likely choose someone who exclusively shoots weddings over someone who does a bit of everything. This applies to any niche, portraits, commercial, real estate, you name it. Specializing not only helps you stand out in a crowded market, but also it allows you to charge premium rates because your clients see you as an expert. So pick your niche, build your brand, and watch your photography business grow. Alright, so now that we have the strategies sorted, it is important to combine these strategies effectively to attract and secure more photography clients. By doing this, you'll make it easy for clients to find you, trust you, and ultimately book you. Thanks for watching, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on growing your photography business. And if you have any questions or tips that you've discovered, leave a comment below so we can also learn from your experience. See you next time!